Daka, sisig.
And come back here 5 or 10 minutes before 1 o'clock. Maraming salamat po.
I think more and more people are coming all the time.
This event is not only a tribute to our traditions, but also an opportunity to strengthen our connection with one another. Let us use this occasion to further support friendship, support each other, and uplift our community.